Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you're fine and ready to learn some basics of English language. Here is our today's topic. We are going to do conversions now. And the tense is future continuous tense. We shall be converting the affirmative sentences of future continuous tense into the negative and interrogative forms. Let's talk about the affirmative sentence formation of future continuous tense. Here is the formula. First, we have subject, then we add will or shall as required. Then we have be, and after be, we use fourth form of verb, which is the ing form of verb. And at the end of the sentence, we have object or extension, and then we have full stop at the end of the affirmative sentence. You need to remember the following points. And the first one says that with I and we should use shall. And we can, in some cases, use will with I also. And with rest of the subjects, we use will in our future continuous tense. Here are some examples of affirmative sentences of future continuous tense. This is the first one. She will be washing her clothes. In this sentence, you can see that she is the subject. Then we have will and be. And after that, I have added the ing form of verb, which is washing. Her clothes is our object. This is our second sentence. I shall be reading a book these days. Here is the third sentence. They will be visiting us on Sunday. Now we shall be discussing these three sentences, and I will tell you that how can you convert these three sentences into their negative and interrogative forms. Here is the formula for negative sentence formation of future continuous tense. First we have subject, then we have will or shall, and remember that in our negative sentence of future continuous tense, we add not after the auxiliary verb will or shall. Then we add be before an object or extension as usual. See the examples. She will not be washing her clothes. You can see that I have added not in this sentence after will. Similarly, I have added not after shall in my second sentence, which says, I shall not be reading a book these days. Here is the third sentence, and you can see that I have written it like this. They will not be visiting us on Sunday. You can see that in these three sentences, I have added not after the auxiliary verb will or shall. I hope you will remember this point. Let's move on and talk about interrogative sentence formation. Here is its formula. We have will or shall in the start, then we add our subject, be, before, object or extension, and pardon me please, we have question mark after the whole sentence, not the full stop. See the examples. Will she be washing her clothes? Shall I be reading a book these days? And will they be visiting us on Sunday? You can notice that in these three sentences, I have taken out will or shall in the start of the sentence. Then I have added subjects and rest of the part of the sentence as usual. Now I want you to do some exercise. You're supposed to convert the following sentences into negative and interrogative forms. Here are 5 sentences. Ali will be taking care of his plants. I shall be writing a new book by next year. She will be applying for a new job. It will be raining. We shall be listening to the music. Now I want you to pause the video here and take out your notebooks and write the solution of these sentences in your notebooks. And after you have done your work, you're supposed to match your answers from this solution which is provided to you for your convenience. Have good luck. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.